children, welcome to the maths class. In the previous class we started chapter 11, perimeter and area. Perimeter is the length of boundary of a closed figure. Polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments only. To find the perimeter of any polygon, we have to find out the sum of lengths of all its sides. In regular polygon, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. To find the perimeter of any regular polygon, we have to multiply its number of sides by the length of one side. Area is the surface enclosed by a closed figure. Area of square is side into side and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Coming to exercise 11.1. Question 1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and cost of land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. A piece of land is in rectangular shape with length 500 meter and breadth 300 meter. We have to find out its area. So length is 500 meter, breadth is 300 meter and it is in rectangular shape. So area of the land will be length into breadth. Length is 500 meter, breadth is 300 meter. Multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros are there and 5 3s are 15. Meter into meter, square meter. So the area is 1,50,000 meter square. Now we have to find out the cost of land and the cost of 1 meter square land is given rupees 10,000. We have to find out the cost of this much land, 1,50,000 square meter land. So multiply this rate by 1,50,000. So we will get the cost. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 15 ones are 15. So how much rupees? 1,000, lakh and 150 crore. So the cost of this land with 500 meter long and width 300 meter is 150 crore. Question 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Perimeter is the length of boundary and the perimeter of square park is given 320 meter and we have to find out area. But to find out area, we want side of the square park. So to find the side of square park, we have to divide this perimeter by 4 because in square all the 4 sides are equal. So here divide perimeter by 4 to get the length of one side of park. Perimeter is 320 meter divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32 and one more 0 is 0. So we get the length of one side of the square park 80 meter. Now here we got the length of one side. To get the area of square park, multiply side into side, 80 meter into 80 meter. 2 zeros are there and 8 8s are 64. Meter into meter, square meter. So the area of this park, square park is 6,400 square meter. Question 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter and also we have to find out its perimeter. The length of a rectangular plot is given 22 meter and area is given. Area is the surface. It is given 440 meter square. We have to find out its breadth. This is in rectangular shape. So the area is length into breadth and to find out the breadth we have to divide this area by length. So divide the area by length. Area is 440 meter square. Meter square we can write as meter into meter and the length is 22 meter. this 1 meter and 1 meter from numerator and denominator will cancel. And now common factors we can cancel here. 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44, and this one 0. So the breadth of the plot we get 20 meter. Now we have to find out perimeter. It is in rectangular shape. So formula is 2 times length plus breadth. Put these values in formula. 2 times length is 22 meter and the breadth is 20 meter. Find out the value of bracket first. 2 times 22 plus 20 is 42 meter and 42 twos are 84 meter. So the perimeter of this rectangular plot is 84 meter. Question 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find the area. This is a rectangular sheet with length 35 centimeter and the perimeter means the length of boundary is given 100 centimeter. First we have to find out breadth and then area. How to find out breadth? We know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That means 2 times length plus breadth. Now put the values here in this formula. 2 times length is 35 centimeter. Breadth we have to find out and perimeter is given 100 centimeter. Now solve this equation. This 2, it is multiplied by the whole bracket. So we can take it on other side in the denominator. Here we will get 35 centimeter plus breadth equal to 100 centimeter and this 2 will come here in the denominator. 100 by 2 is 50 centimeter. Here we get 35 centimeter plus breadth equal to 50 centimeter. Now we have to find out value of B. This 35 centimeter we don't want. Take it on right side. So breadth equal to 50 centimeter minus 35 centimeter. Here it is in plus. On that side it will become minus. Now 50 minus 35 is 15 because units are same. We can add or subtract. So 15 centimeter. Breadth of the sheet is 15 centimeter. Now we have to find out area. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So find out the area of sheet. Length into breadth. Length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. Multiply 35 into 15 we get 525 and centimeter into centimeter is square centimeter. So the area of this sheet is 525 square centimeter. Question 5. In this question, the side of a square park is given 60 meter and the length of a rectangular park is given 90 meter. We have to find out the breadth of this rectangular park. But the area of both the parks are given same. Areas of both the parks are same. So we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So to find the breadth, we have to divide this area by length. We will get breadth. And this area is equal to the area of square. This area of square we can find out because the area of square is equal to side into side and side is given. So let us find out the area of this square park first. Area of square park is side into side and side is given 60 meter. 60 meter into 60 meter. 6 6 are 36 and 2 zeros. Meter into meter, square meter. Now these two areas are given equal. So divide this area by 90 length. So we will get the breadth. So area is here 3600. Square meter means meter into meter and divided by the length of rectangle 90 meter. 1 meter will cancel from numerator and denominator. 1 0 will cancel. Divide both numerator and denominator by 10. And now divide. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. And this one 0. So we get the breadth of rectangular park 40 meter. So the breadth of rectangular park is 40 meter. Question 6. In this question 6, a wire is in the form of a rectangle. If we will find out the perimeter of this rectangle, we will get the length of wire. This wire is again rebent to form a square. So the perimeter of square will be equal to the length of wire. And to get one side, the length of one side of this square, we have to divide this perimeter, that means the length of wire, by 4. Because in square, all the 4 sides are equal. And once we get this length of one side of square, we can find out the area. So first, let us find out the length of this wire. The length of rectangle is 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth because it is the rectangle. Length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Find out the value of bracket first. 2 times 40 plus 22, 62 centimeters. 2 into 62, 124 centimeter. So the length of wire is 124 centimeter. Now this is rewent into a square. Divide the perimeter by 4. We will get the side of square. So divide. 124 centimeter divided by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. So 31 centimeter. The side of this square is 31 centimeter. Now we can find out the area of the square. Area of square is side into side. 31 centimeter into 31 centimeter. 961 square centimeter. And we have to find out the area of rectangle also. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is given 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. So it is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So 88 and one more 0. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. Now we have to compare which shape encloses more area. 961 is greater than 880 and 961 is the area of square. So square encloses more area. Question 7. In this question, the perimeter of a rectangle is given 130 centimeter, boundary of the rectangle, and the breadth is given 30 centimeter. First we have to find out length of the rectangle and then the area. So perimeter is given. So perimeter is equal to, we know this is rectangle, so perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That means 2 times length plus breadth. Now put the values here. 2 times length we have to find out. Breadth is given 30 centimeter and a perimeter is given 130 centimeter. Now see, this bracket is, whole bracket is multiplied by 2. So this 2 we can take on other side in denominator. So this bracket we get here length plus 30 centimeter and this is 130 centimeter right hand side and divided by this 2. So we will get here 65 centimeter. Now we get here length plus 30 centimeter equal to 65 centimeter. We have to find out length. So we don't want this 30 centimeter, take it on that side. So length equal to 65 centimeter, take this 30 on that side. It will become minus 30 centimeter. Units are same, so we can subtract. 65 minus 30, 35 centimeter. So the length of the rectangle is 35 centimeter. Now we can find out the area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 30 centimeter. Multiply 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carried, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. And a centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. So the area of this rectangle is 1050 square centimeter. Question 8. In this question, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall of length 4.5 meter and a height 3.6 meter. We have to find out the cost of whitewashing this remaining area. So to find the cost of whitewashing this remaining area, first we have to find out this remaining area. And how to find this remaining area? We have to subtract the area of door from the area of wall and then multiply by the rate. We will get the cost of whitewashing. So let us find out the area of this wall first. The length of the wall is given 4.5 meter. Breadth of the wall means height here is given 3.6 meter. So multiply. This is rectangle. Wall is rectangular in shape. So the area of wall is length into breadth. Length is 4.5 meter. Breadth is 3.6 meter. Multiply 45 into 36, we get 1620. And here after decimal point 2 digits are there. So before 2 digits we have to give point, because in answer also there will be 2 digits. And the unit will be meter into meter, square meter. So it is 16.20 square meter. Now find out the area of door. Length of the door is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter and it is also in rectangular shape. So multiply length into breadth. 2 meter into 1 meter. 2 ones are 2 meter into meter, square meter. Now we have to find out the area that is to be whitewashed. So this remaining area, to get this remaining area, we have to subtract the area of door. That means this 2 square meter from the area of wall. Area of wall is 16.20 square meter. Subtract this 2. 2 is whole number. So 2 will be on ones place and a point below the point and then subtract. So we will get 14.20. So this remaining area is 14.20. Now rate is given. Rate is given rupees 20 per meter square. For 1 meter square, 20 rupees are required. So we have to find out the cost of whitewashing this area, 14.20 square meter. So multiply this area 14.20 square meter by the rate. Rate is what? Rupees 20 per meter square. Per meter square means here it will come in denominator. For 1 meter square, 20 rupees are required. So rupees 20 by 1 meter square. This is meter square. This is also meter square. It will cut and multiply these two. After multiplying, we will get this 2840. And here after decimal point, one digit is there. So before one digit we will give point. So 284. Answer we will get in rupees. Rupees 284. Cost of whitewashing the remaining area, that wall, is 284 rupees. In other way also you can find out the cost. Cost of whitewashing 1 meter square area. Rate is given rupees 20 per meter square. So cost of whitewashing 1 meter square area is rupees 20. So for finding the cost of whitewashing 14.2 meter square area, we have to multiply this 14.2 by 20. We will get the same answer, rupees 284. Answer we will get in rupees because it is the cost.